Friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, is how we can convert or how we can format number in Excel. So Excel has many built-in formats that you can use. Currency, accounting, which you will be find here. Number, currency, accounting, date, short date, long date, and time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text. So likewise, these are the inbuilt function. So if you can find right format, you can create a custom number format. So first, we will discuss about leading zeros. For example, you might have codes that consist of 5 numbers. Instead of typing 00041, simply typing 41 and let Excel add the leading zeros. You can see I have only write down here 41 and it is adding 3 zeros in the lead position. So how you can format, I will show you. Click on any cell in which you want to the format the text, right click, then click on option format cell, then click on custom and type 1 2 3 4 and 5 zeros. Click OK. Just type any 2-digit number and it will add 3 leading zeros in the front. Note, Excel gives you live preview of how the number will be formatted under sample. You can see in the sample, this is the live preview which Excel will allow to see. So these are the this is the place where you can see how the number will be reflect in the cell. Now I can show you how you can add decimal places. You can also control the number of decimal places. Use 0 to display the nearest integer value. Use 0.0 for 1 decimal place. Use 0.00 for 2 decimal place, etc. So for this, again you have to do the same activity. Right click and click on the format cell and then just click on custom and 0 and put the zeros, how many numbers you want in the decimal places. So if you want 2 digit, so you just put 20 after the point and just write down 12, so it will show you 12.00. You can also add text. It's to your number. For example, add feet. So likewise you have to click on the right click and also click on the format cell. Then if you click here and just inside the quotation write any text which you want to show. One note, just remember that we only change the appearance of this number, not the number itself exactly. You can use this number in your calculation also. Suppose you want to calculate with this number, it will give you output of 24. So it means the number itself has not been changed, it only changed his appearance. I hope this video will help you to solve your real life problem. And if you are new into my channel, if you feel this video is helpful to you, then please subscribe my channel and also press on the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I will upload new videos. Thanks for watching.